So it's the 11th year today, which is now marking as far as the International Day of Yoga, where United Nations back in 2014 made the declaration which not only solidified yoga's global significance, but also posed as a testimony to India's growing cultural influence as well. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who today is in Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, where the mass yoga event that is taking place across the state with the goal of also setting what is being said multiple records. We are looking at the External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar participating in another Yoga Day event. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, who is in Udhampur in Jammu and Kashmir. The UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. The pictures that are also coming in from the national capital, where Union Minister JP Nadda, right after his address, could also be seen performing yoga poses. Let's get in a word from Isha, who is connected with us right now. She's reporting from Visakhapatnam, where Isha, we are looking at a global record. What is also being said that is expected to be said by the Andhra Pradesh government in this mass event. We also have Sabyasachi joining us live right now. But first up, over to you, Isha.
Right, Amita, very good morning to you. Today is International Day of Yoga and Visakhapatnam is at the center of it, considering the Prime Minister is here leading and spearheading the campaign for yoga. But showing you around here the visuals, this entire stretch across Visakhapatnam, there is a green carpet. There is a green carpet for yoga enthusiasts to come forward and perform yoga. This is all across Visakhapatnam. This is, of course, at the beach where the Prime Minister is, but it's also across all roads in Visakhapatnam. So definitely the world record that you were talking about is definitely in the making, considering that even we spoke to the Ayush Minister Pratap Rao Jadhav, and he also stated that all ministers, all ministries, and in fact even the state government and the central government have come together to attempt to form a world record. In fact, yesterday as well, Amita, 25,000 tribal children came together to perform Surya Namaskar, and that was also a world record. In fact, while we were also reporting, we saw people from the Guinness World Record team there as well, observing them and noting that a world record is being created. So we are witnessing history in the making, with the Prime Minister leading the campaign. The Prime Minister and the government has been stating about how yoga needs to be integrated into daily life, considering it is good for mental health and physical health as well. And of course, absolutely, India has been headlining the
chance
campaign
as well to perform yoga. Did you get that chance, Sabyasachi? Because we are getting, as far as our daily routines is also concerned, and sedentary lifestyle seems to be a bigger threat in these generations. But yoga, which actually represents India's philosophical and spiritual traditions, what is that from the update that you can share with us from the national capital?
Well, let me show you straight away the visuals around. You can see Union Minister JP Nadda also performing yoga. And now today's event aligns with the larger vision of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, where the traditions like yoga play a pivotal role in fostering unity and pride in India's rich heritage. Now, JP Nadda said and asked the people of the country to not only perform yoga on the International Yoga Day, but to perform it every single day across the country. Now, under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, yoga has transcended its Indian roots to become a global phenomenon, and the recognition of the 21st. Now you can see that the yoga here in the national capital on the International Yoga Day just got over, and we'll try to get a word from the people who have gathered out here. Sir, आपसे पूछूंगा, योगा डे पे योगा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है जी योगा डे पे। और ये हमारे आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो मुहिम चलाई है, उससे मतलब हमने कभी योगा नहीं करा, परंतु अब खुद मोबिलाइज हो रहे हैं और नई जनरेशन को मोबिलाइज कर रहे हैं। हमारे आचार्य प्रज्ञा सागर जी ने भी जो मुहिम चलाई है, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और मानसिकता के लिए, शरीर के लिए बहुत अच्छी चीज है।
आप क्या कहेंगे आज इंटरनेशनल योगा डे?
और देखिए, जैसा कि हमारे माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने पूरे विश्व को एक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योगा करने की जो प्रेरणा दी है, निश्चित ही ये अनुकरणीय पहल है। हमारी भारतीय पद्धति योग की पद्धति रही है, और आज ये कर्तव्य पथ पर जेपी नड्डा जी और साथ में हमारे जैन मुनि प्रज्ञा सागर महाराज जी के सानिध्य में ये जो योगा का कार्यक्रम हुआ है, निश्चित ही इससे तन स्वस्थ, मन मस्त और चेतन प्रशस्त होगा और निश्चित ही हम अपने आप से जुड़ पाएंगे। जैसा कि अभी जेपी नड्डा जी ने बताया था, योग का मतलब होता है जोड़। जोड़ का मतलब हम स्वयं से जुड़ें, अपनी मानसिक शांति करें, तन स्वस्थ हो और सभी का कल्याण हो, सबका यही भावना के साथ आज जो योग दिवस मनाया गया। निश्चित ही पूरे विश्व में योग के माध्यम से जुड़ाव होगा और जब हम अपने आप से जुड़ेंगे तभी हमारे जीवन में आंतरिक क्रांति।
Yoga for Humanity, that has been the message that has come in from the Prime Minister himself today, as we are looking at these mass events that have been organized on part of the government and others as well who have been participating enthusiastically in these Yoga Day events that are being organized across the country. Pictures that continue to come in. We head into a short break, back with more.